Container gardening made easy. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and practical topic, container gardening. This phrase might be new to many of you, so let's dive in and learn all about it. Container gardening refers to the practice of growing plants, including flowers, herbs, and vegetables, in containers instead of planting them in the ground. This method is popular among those who have limited space, like in city apartments, or lack a traditional garden area. We'll explore why container gardening is a great option and how it differs from traditional gardening. Container gardens offer several advantages. They are flexible, space-efficient, and accessible. In this section, we'll discuss how container gardens can be a perfect solution for small spaces and how they make gardening possible for everyone, regardless of their living situation. Not all containers and plants are suitable for container gardening. This section will guide you through selecting the right containers and the best types of plants for a successful container garden. We'll also touch on important considerations like drainage, material, and size of containers. Maintaining a container garden is different from caring for a traditional garden. We'll provide practical tips on watering, fertilizing, and sunlight requirements. This guidance will help ensure your container garden thrives. We hope you found this exploration of container gardening informative and inspiring. Whether you have a small balcony or just a windowsill, container gardening is a wonderful way to bring more greenery into your life. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!